Bro, you know what popped up on my Google Photos the other day?
What?
One of your Musical.lys. Can you believe it?
Sam used to make Musical.lys.
Of
Make
course, it was a
Musical.lys?
thing.
She made a dozen of Musical.lys. Bro, you know one of those transition ones? That the one that comes from up and then goes down and then is left and right and everything? All of that. I have all of her Musical.lys as ammunition. If she ever does me wrong, I'm going to release them out systematically onto social media.
You know,
I will pay
was
you.
so sad when TikTok was banned because all of my TikTok was back then known as Musical.ly, right? And before it even got famous, we used to use Musical.lys. And it was such a cool thing because me and my friend used to constantly find these new songs and make music
Did you
on
get the
it.
pride in her when she said we used to make
Yes.
Musical.lys?
Yeah,
Yes.
and I don't understand. Okay, so this is something I am very proud of. I know it is very cringy, but it was such a big part of my growing up and my
Yeah.
childhood that I thoroughly enjoyed it. Even till date, sometimes I look at those and I was like, damn, I was good.
I mean, she
I
still
made-
is good though.
I used to make some when we were in Bahrain, okay? Literally, I remember this one time we were waiting for our uncle to get ready. 3 girls, we've gotten ready. Our uncle is still not ready. We are waiting for him, okay? And I was bored. So I started bipping on my Musical.ly. This is when I just learned all those transitions and also I started doing all of those transitions. And obviously, to someone who cannot hear the music, they can only see me moving my phone around like a little idiot. And this is the time where this stuff was not very popular and famous. So Rach used to just sit there, one idiot there with her phone moving around from side to side, up and down, and this and that. And it was not one take. It was one take, it was 2 take, it was 3 take, until even one strand of my hair is not out of place. So it was very cool to sit and make
That
that.
doesn't sound cool. That sounds tedious.
It was. That
Bro,
is what making music
the
was tedious.
dedication she used to make it with. The dedication. Okay, so I am kind of proud of maybe this. Sam and I have like, I think, 2
Yeah.
Musical.lys we've made together. And one of them is, by the way, on my Instagram profile, okay?
Yeah.
So you can go check it out later on. But it is so cool. I mean, she was an influencer before influencers were a thing.
Dude,
kind of.
Oh my god, I remember this one. So this is when I kind of stopped the Musical.lys because TikTok got banned afterwards, right? So there was this video, I think it's there on my Instagram. It was basically there is this one video going around of this dog, okay, being brutally hurt by this woman. And I could not take it. Like, I had not even watched that video. And like my brother told me, don't watch it because I am someone who cannot tolerate animal and even to an extent humans being hurt this way. I mean, to hurt someone, right? So I made a video on it, and that video genuinely went viral. And Rach and I were like, what happened? And the funny part is Rach was there in the background, so I don't remember if I have this or not. I am there, all serious, ready to talk about something that has really upset me. And Rach in the background, start the video.
What?
Yeah. And I stopped and I started laughing, and so many of my musicals and anything. So, are you fine?
What was that?
To laugh you all together.
I can't even formulate a word for
And
it.
that got famous, and then that was literally my journey into making more videos and everything.
I can't believe you have a video of me just being wee.
No,
why
it
do
was
I
not. I don't remember. I don't know if I have it now, but it was definitely there. And literally after that, now I'm so much more confident when I make videos in general.
Bro, honestly, you at least are doing kind of what you thought you would be doing. Like you're still
I was
making.
supposed to be a dancer, bros.
She was supposed to be a dancer. She was supposed to be a hairstylist.
Forget that. I used to go for dancing classes when I was younger. So I used to go for dance classes when I was younger.
Dancing
Dancing
classes. I just imagine her bobbing her head like ditching. You know, one of those things on the dashboard that just dances.
Dramatic sound in that.
I have pictures of me just going goody.
Oh my god! Okay.
Where are these pictures?
I have my album at home.
No, guys. If we are ever doing merchandise, this is going to be one of that.
Sam
Gurry.
bobbleheads.
Yeah, gurry.
So anyway, my mom asked the instructor, what is her future in dancing? And I was like, bro, what? Do you think I'd be a stripper or something? I mean, I get which direction she was probably going, but it sounded very stripper-esque.
I mean, it sounds like your mom was really interested into making
Why
you a
does
dancer.
the first thing that come to your mind be a stripper in this?
I don't know, maybe it's like that dancer when you think of
Also,
that.
what dance classes were these? Like hip hop, Bharatanatyam, or
Belly
stripper
dancing.
dancers?
I have no clue.
You went for these classes, no?
I have memory of nothing.
She has the memory of a goldfish.
Yes, I do not even remember having a childhood. It just feels like I was there.
That's a very depressing statement.
Yes.
Can you? Okay. No.
What we can do is we can look at your Instagram feed.
Bro, my Instagram feed is clean as ever. I have archived everything.
This one archives literally everything. I'm like your whole essence of a person. You
Is
just
archived.
like archived.
Vanished.
Yeah, she's like that vanished ka ad. Chalk
Yeah.
guide. Oh no, wait, I think that's tied.
Hilarious.
Oh, yeah.
No, so forget this. So I at one point wanted to be a choreographer. Okay, and if I had the ounce of dedication that I had when I used to make my musicals, I probably would have become a good choreographer.
She would have
also.
been the next Saroj Khan, I think.
Probably. But
She's
so,
fair also, so.
They do. This one, Gom Firkina, she comes on me being fair only.
She is, isn't she?
So
Her
anyway,
future is bright.
they
Quite
do.
literally.
Tu jaa yahan se. So anyway, and you didn't laugh at my joke, but you laughed at that. You're a disgrace. So anyway, so I wanted to become a choreographer. I wanted to become a hairstylist, like a beautician basically, but not with like the other.
I think that's called an esthetician.
Please stop creating new words.
There's something called an esthetician. At this point, everything has a
Esthetician.
word.
Yeah, that is true.
So I just wanted
Except
to
for
be like
stupidity.
Isn't stupidity a word?
No, that's Kurama.
that was a good one. So there was I wanted to be a beautician, and I even wanted to be a teacher. And listen to this. I mean, I'm still.
We are listening to it, bro.
Oh, I mean, yeah, I know.
That's only how students would be.
Yeah.
Listen to me. But ma'am, we are listening to you.
We are listening to you.
But listen to me.
So when I used to go to my mom's office, right? She had this small little cabin. Like, not mom. Mom was a receptionist
Not
over
mom.
there. No, mom was a receptionist. So she says then I used to get bored over there. So I used to go inside, and there was this one cabin that they had that had this blackboard, okay? And there were like few chairs in front. I have no clue why they had this whole teacher setup, but they had it. And I was really young. So I could climb on the
meetings.
table easily. Oh, yeah.
It's like
Problems
it's
of
like
being a
light,
freelancer.
yeah, I know, right? A light bulb just went off in her mind. Oh yeah.
So I used to make all of her office people sit down, and I would sit and teach all of them. I don't know
Teach
what else.
them what?
I have no clue.
How did they have enough free time to come and sit?
Because that time they used to get kids to office and come, right? So they used to not mind. So if they have a little bit of free time, they would come and sit in the office over there. I like sit and listen, and then I'd sit and teach them everything, and I'd sit scribbling on the
Wait,
board.
would you even reach to that board?
I mean, I have to climb on the table.
Oh, that makes
I would
sense. I'm
climb
just
the table and I'm
imagining
sitting.
like
Sorry.
Dexter and like just like freakishly long hands. And be
So
like,
I even wanted to be a teacher. And the funny thing is, I'm kind of doing a little bit of all of them right now. Like, even with my LinkedIn series, I was teaching people something. And even in college, I used to word vomit before my exams by teaching everybody. I still feel like I'm in the direction of becoming a professor, which I don't want to, which I'm trying to avoid because one, I don't like kids. Two, my brother is a professor, and it's literally like I copy him in everything.
she has literally followed him in his footsteps.
Literally, like, not even one little toe is out of line.
Yes.
Oh wait, he makes podcasts too. Yeah.
No, he doesn't make podcasts, but he was a content writer first. Then he went to content creation. Then he went into digital marketing, like social media, digital marketing, and now he is a digital marketing professor.
And you?
I don't know anything about digital marketing, so I am
Thank
not going
God
there.
for that. I mean,
I know about
literally
digital
would be
marketing.
in his
No, I
footsteps.
mean, I know about digital marketing. I am in that industry, but I would never be a professor. in
Samantha,
that.
calm down. Your clients are not listening to this podcast. Just calm down.
You
bro.
don't know what new clients I can get. But enough about me. What did y'all want to be when y'all were growing up? And are y'all on the same path right now?
I am bang on where I planned myself to
Who
be.
are you, child? Get out of here.
I know, right? What a load of rubbish.
You thought, wait, I very frankly, I don't know what Ryan does, so I can't say, were you this,
So
this,
Sam has just been like throwing out accusations randomly into the air, okay?
It is too technical for me to remember.
Just for your information, Ryan literally gave out his business card
Yeah.
like what
2 seconds back.
10-20 minutes ago before we started this podcast, and she still doesn't know it.
No, she probably just looked at it. Huh, okay,
Oh, he's
but cool
designing
material.
operations.
He's not design and operations himself. You're saying like as if he's Ryan design and operations.
He's not written anything else.
There is so much on there, child. Your water art solutions.
Yeah, but then that is the company tagline. It's not his tagline.
Serve to conserve.
That is also not my tagline.
Yeah.
But
This
it's
is
all a
the
part
giant.
of what you're doing though.
Yeah, though if I had a tagline, it would be
It's literally on his website, Lambert Water.
That is again not what he does.
He does water.
This podcast was not a marketing stunt, just in case if you're
It's
wondering.
clearly marketing Sam's skills, Ryan's water consumption.
तेरा
और
क्या है यहाँ पे?
कुछ नहीं.
Her jokes.
My jokes. But yeah, what is it that you do for Sam?
I don't do anything for Sam.
I mean, I'm like that. Shade, I know. I mean, what is it you do? Please tell Sam. Please do.
I'm not going to do anything.
Ew.
But
I'm moving on.
Okay, please calm
Yeah.
down.
so when I was a kid, I used to. So all the toys that I've got, within 6 months, they used to be opened with parts everywhere,
Okay.
and they used to be put together and work properly. So I was
Okay.
like, बड़ा होके यही करना है. So I have two options: either go into Legos or go into machines.
And you chose the more boring one of the
I
two.
swear.
Why aren't you into Legos?
Because I have zero creative skills.
That is true. I have
Oh,
seen it.
okay.
That is very true.
Yes. My
Cool.
kidneys look like livers, and my drawings look like not drawings.
You're in design and operations.
There's a difference between drawings, artistic drawings, and engineering drawings.
Engineering drawing with all of your scales and everything and your
Yes.
degrees and
they
angles.
are perfection.
Oh my goodness me, perfection has entered the chat.
Apart from being exactly who we wanted to be when we were younger, what did you want to be, Rich?
So I wanted to be a fashion model when I was a kid. Okay, so I
Now
don't.
this is what I want to hear. Not that.
So my mom used to love dressing me up. Okay, she used to love, like, if you see my photo album, there is me in these like really chote kapde types and all of that, and I'm just being a fashion influencer and stuff like that when I was a kid. And honestly, I used to watch these fashion model things on TV. Okay, so there were only two things like me and my siblings used to watch. My brother and my sister, Ria and Ricky, they used to watch WWF or WWE, okay, and then enact those scenes, okay, and then me being the girly girl that I was, I used to watch those fashion models, okay, and they're walking on the runway and everything, and I am trying to walk on the runway in the house. Mind you, this was when I think I was like around maybe 4 or 5 or something, and
There are two things in the story that do not like just are out of my brain right now. Rach was a girly girl,
Hilarious.
and also you doing a ramp walk.
bro, I was pretty good at it, okay?
She can
By
still
the
do
way-
it. We'll make her do
By
it
the way,
in her heels now.
so you know, on my boundary wall we have this barbed wire, right?
Okay.
Before the barbed wire was in place, I used to walk around
I
the
was
walls.
just going to crack a joke saying, were you walking on the walls
I
over
was
there?
literally walking on the walls. My mom used to yell her top off at me saying that, can you not walk on the walls because I would fall out. And the lane beside our wall, now it's a lane, but before it was like kachara. Like legit
Yeah.
kachara.
Thinking you would not get hurt if you fell
Either
down.
I would fall into kachara or fall on this side where we have a tank of water. So it was either...
And it was very deep.
Yeah, it was either kachara or water. And luckily I fell into neither. Bro, imagine this. I am walking straight up ahead and then I am like back walking also, like a moonwalk back.
What
because
the fuck?
I couldn't walk around the whole boundary. Okay? I couldn't because behind, right, there was that... there were people staying and not very safe. My mom used to be like, if you want to walk only, this is the limit that you walk to. And then I used to just like backtrack on the walls. I was a very weird kid in terms of that. But by the way, the fashion model thing was just when I was, I think, till the age of like 6, 7. Then when I kind of got a little older, I had zero aspirations with life. My only aspiration was to get good marks and clear and get into the next standard. That was the only aspiration I had. And then I wanted to kind of get into hotel management when I was... So in 10th, I wanted to do hotel management. I wanted to do chartered accountancy. This all of these ambitions are only happening in 10th standard. When I'm supposed to actually be studying for my 10th. Oh, by the way, get this. So I was not very good at studying, okay? I think I passed my 9th with like 37%. Like just passed. I was just pushed into 10th, like, you know what, maybe you could do it in 10th. You could probably achieve. So my mom was really worried, okay? She was like, I don't think this girl is passing. There is not one brain cell in her which works and she's going to be able to pass, looks like, okay? So what my brother used to do, my brother had this great trick. Oh, by the way, he's the one who taught me some of those geometry theorems. The, you know, why a circle is a circle. I mean, it's a circle. Why the fuck do I got to prove it's a circle? You know those freaking theorems?
Yes.
The triangle and all. And I'm like, it's a triangle. I can see it's a triangle. Why do I need to prove this nonsense? But, so what he used to do is, he used to leave me into the kitchen. So, on the dining table, right, where the dining table is right now, now there is a whole bunch of crap on it. But before, that dining table in my 10th was filled with textbooks. Because, well, that's where I used to sit to study. My brother has left me into the kitchen, okay? It's just the textbooks and it's me. There's nothing else. There's no other soul in the kitchen, okay? And this was, see, you do whatever you want in the kitchen. Whatever you want. Your textbooks are sitting there, you are sitting there. These are the standard number of hours you have to sit in. You do whatever you want. So the first, like, 1-2 days, I was like, I am not going to study because I don't want to. So I'm sitting, playing X and zeros with myself, playing dots, wala that game. This all I'm doing when I'm in 10th and supposed to be studying. I'm doing all this bullshit nonsense, okay? Finally, 3rd day, 4th day, I'm like, 5th day, I was like, you know what? The books are here, I am here, and the knowledge is here. Might as well just study, right? I mean, it worked out pretty well because I then scored like 71, 72%.
To giants.
Show off.
Thank you. I mean, it's probably nothing compared to the kids these days, but
Yeah.
dude, I honestly couldn't believe my brother's tactic of just leaving me with the books kind of worked.
It worked for you. For me, it would have got a whole different way. The fridge would have been empty in my case.
Oh god. My mom would have skinned me alive. She would have literally peeled me with that bloody peeler over there in the kitchen. I am doing nothing of what I set out to do in life.
You
I
are
am
doing
not,
something in finance.
I more of like operations, I would say. I'm not into finance as such, but more into operations. I mean, a
Like,
credit or
I
a
am
risk
itty-bitty-
analyst.
I am itty-bitty stupid. Like, itty-bitty. So, you need to explain better.
So, if you're actually looking like a designation perspective,
No, I don't
I'm
care about
like,
designation. I care about what you do.
I'll tell you her
I make
designation is a
reports.
senior research analyst.
it's a senior
Ooh.
associate research analyst. Okay, guys, associate is important here.
How does it matter?
I don't know. It does to me. Okay, but yeah, it's pretty cool what I do. I mean, to me, I absolutely love what I do.
She loves numbers. She proves it on again and again.
Okay, calm down. Samantha's going to come up with this randomly bullshit story that I don't do.
No,
Bullshit
this is partially true. Every meeting that we've had, you've been like, "Aaj apna number itna bada."
Huh. No, not in that way. This one is a geek with numbers.
I'm not I wouldn't call myself a geek. I just
How many episodes does Boruto have?
I'm not answering that question. No, I don't know.
You should have asked about Naruto, not Boruto.
Achha, how many episodes does Naruto have?
720 episodes. It's like 220 episodes of Naruto and then 500 episodes of Shippuden, and then there are a couple of movies. Okay, but this is not what she's talking about when
Yeah.
she talks about numbers. Okay, so yesterday, Sam and I were going out, and me being me, I leave my phone charging nonsense to the very last minute. Okay, and Sam is
I get
constantly
so annoyed with
annoyed
that.
with this. But here's the thing, right? Now we have fast charging and stuff, right? And I don't really need to keep it on for like hours and hours, right? You just put it on for a few minutes or so, and then it's just charged to whatever you need it to be, and it lasts also pretty long, right? So I'm setting the scene for you, okay? It's 11:45. I have to leave my place at 12:30. I have 45 minutes. My phone's
You have
battery.
15 minutes.
No, I've 12:30. I've got to
Okay,
leave, and it's
okay.
11:45. I have 45 minutes, and my phone's battery is at 17%, and I'm going to be out of the house till like let's say 4:30 ish or so. Okay, now I have just put my phone for charging. Okay, and like almost all phones these days, it tells you how much time it's going to take to be a full charge. Okay, so I have 45 minutes, right? But my phone is going to take like 1 hour 5 minutes to charge to complete. Now I'm not just going to wait till 12:30 to find out how much it's charged, right? So I sit and calculate how much it would be charged by 12:30. Okay, so this is me. If it takes 65 minutes to charge up to 83%, like 83%, right? Because it's 17 and it has to charge another 83.
I love how
65
you
minutes for
remember the
83.
numbers.
It's there. It's 65 minutes for 83%. I have 45 minutes. So 45 minutes में कितना charge होगा? And then I obviously do the calculation and it tells me that it's going to charge another like 54.7 odd percent, and it comes up to be like something around 74 odd percent by the time I'm done. And 12:30, remove the charger. It's 74% charged. And I was like, I feel so cool
She
about
told me
this.
all of this, and I was like, so did you sleep or not?
So, oh yeah.
Because mainly I get anxious because this asshole always wants to leave or take a shit right before we're leaving.
And I slept and took a shit, by the way. So that's
And
cool.
oh my god, we'll get into this in the next podcast, but oh my god, rage and sleeping right before we have to leave. annoys me to the next level. But I want to know from our audience, how many of y'all are actually doing what you wanted to do when you were a child? That sounds wrong, but are you on the same path, or are you doing something completely different like Rach?
Also, like, share, comment, subscribe, please, guys.
And don't forget, we have a surprise for all of you all when we